Hello, 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 and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey. This is a little bit of a different one. This is a Cruisin' with Corey quickie.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
What we're gonna do here is a little maintenance that every person needs to do on their car. And naturally, because we're gig drivers, we need maintenance more than the average person does. This is something that if you go to your local Jiffy Lube, Valvoline, or oil change place, they're gonna try to upsell you on it. And even if you do need it, they're gonna try to get you for 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks on something that costs 10. And that's your cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is what you're breathing. It does affect your air conditioning system. If you're not getting good airflow, you're gonna breathe bad air. Your system might not even be as cool as it should be. So look them up online. This is the one I bought for my car. I drive a Honda Clarity, which is a Honda plug-in hybrid, but basically every cabin air filter is just a fancy piece of paper that you put in your glove box. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It takes about literally 20 seconds, and once you see it done, you will never pay someone to do it for you ever again. Now, of course, this is the instructions for my car, which is a Honda Clarity. But always remember, look either on YouTube, your owner's manual, whatever, for your own car. But I will say, at every car I've ever owned, 99% of them, the cabin filter is in the glove compartment. I know there's a couple cars it's difficult, but this will probably apply to you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
This one on the screen, it says Honda Civic, but it is the right one for my car. I bought a fancy one. It has a carbon filter on the bottom, so that way I can have the freshest possible air. They're supposed to have an arrow on them, which tells you, oh my God, I can't open this. So I looked on my website, I looked on the Amazon page of the one that I bought, and it tells you which side is which, so now I know. So now let's go and install it. All right, so you're gonna look in your glove box. You're gonna open your glove box. Now in mine, I squeeze in the sides, and you can see potentially that these little grooves. So when I squeeze in, it pops out of the groove. And then in here, there is a little gate thingy. It says airflow down. So that's why I looked at the thing that I looked at before, and it told me which way my airflow is supposed to go on the filter. There's two little tabs. Pull it out. Here's my old air filter. Again, black. And look at my new one, white. So yes, I was not having the best air. We're gonna pop this in. This one doesn't give you many arrows. There we go. That's how it's supposed to fit in there. Just slides right in. It's kind of like a little pseudo groove in there. And then literally all you do is pop that back in place. Put your glove box back in, and now you're good. You just spent about 15 bucks and saved yourself 30 to 60 having a mechanic do it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I got a couple more in this little mini series I want to do, but we'll be back with more delivery content soon. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.